I totally loved coming to Scotland with API. I would recommend it to anyone studying abroad. That was a big part of why I wasn't nervous, and I love the excursions pre-set up. There were things that I could go do and not have to worry about like how do I do it or what should I see. Like those things were already set up and they were all so great. The Isle of Skye and like the Highlands, and that was awesome. The best API trip we did, and maybe even like the best trip I've done in general. I totally loved coming to Scotland with API.